Meanwhile, government and Cockroach Janata Party held talks at the Constitution Club of India today. Union Minister J.P. Nadda and Jitendra Singh held a meeting with Chief Spokesperson of Cockroach Janata Party, Saurav Das, and National Spokesperson Ashutosh Ranka. The CJP has said the strictest action the government could take against examination irregularities was to remove Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, reacting to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement that a bill providing for stringent action against paper leaks would be introduced in Parliament. CJP has informed Centre that government has 24 hours to consider Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. After the meeting, Saurav Das informed that General Government has expressed its agreement to provide compensation to the families of the deceased students and to withdraw the FIRs registered against the protesters, but Cockroach Janata Party will accept nothing less than the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. After his meeting with representatives of the Cockroach Janata Party, Union Minister J.P. Nadda said the representatives another meeting will be held again on Saturday for further talks.